In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create metafields for product variants in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand what variant metafields are, why they're useful, and exactly how to set them up so you can start using them in your store. Let's begin with a quick overview. In Shopify, metafields are extra pieces of information you can attach to different parts of your store, like products, variants, customers, and more. When we talk about product variant metafields, we are focusing on details that apply to a specific version of a product, such as a particular size, color, or material. For example, you might want a unique care instruction, a custom SKU for a warehouse, or a special label that applies only to the red large variant of a t-shirt, not to every variant of that product. To create these metafields, start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the main admin dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Click on Settings, and on the Settings page, find and select the option called Custom Data. This is where Shopify keeps all metafield definitions for your store. Inside Custom Data, you'll see different areas where metafields can be defined, such as products, customers, and others. For variant metafields, choose the section related to products or product variants. In newer Shopify layouts, there is a direct option called Variants. Click into that. Next, you'll create what's called a metafield definition. This definition tells Shopify what kind of information you're storing. Click the button to add a new definition. Give your metafield a clear name that will make sense later, like fabric composition or warehouse location. Shopify will automatically create a namespace and key, but you can adjust the key if you want it to be more descriptive. Now choose the content type. This is important because it defines what kind of data each variant can store. For example, pick a single-line text field if you just need a short bit of text, like 100% cotton. If you need a number, a URL, or a file, choose the corresponding type. You can also add validation rules, such as character limits or format restrictions, to keep your data consistent. Once you're happy with the configuration, save the metafield definition. After saving, go to your Products section in the admin, open a product, and scroll down to its variants. Click on a specific variant. You'll now see your new metafield field available for that variant. Enter the value you want for that specific version of the product and save. Repeat this for any other variants that need their own custom information. When set up correctly, these variant metafields can then be referenced in your theme or in apps to display custom details, filter products, or power more advanced workflows tailored to each variant.